For-profit hospitals are legally required to put shareholders over patients, but so-called nonprofit hospitals rarely act much different. Tax-exempt hospitals deliver charity care that is consistently worth less than the tax breaks that they receive. These nonprofit hospitals receive a $28 billion tax break, while only spending roughly $16 billion on charity care a year. The difference fuels a spending spree totally unrelated to providing healthcare, like real estate investments, stadium naming rights, green energy initiatives, and political activism. Large hospital systems also manipulate the 340B drug pricing program to keep steep drug discounts for themselves instead of passing the savings to low-income patients. There is little evidence that the $290 billion in discounts given to hospitals under the 340B program since Obamacare was reinvested in patients. Even worse, there is evidence that hospital abuse of 340B actually directly led to increases in Obamacare premiums. Today, I expect we will hear how from these hospital executives, their opinion on how insurers and drug makers contribute to the unaffordable cost of healthcare. But this committee will be asking and expect answers to why hospital prices make up by far the largest share of the insurance premium increases that grew 3 times faster than earnings.